Hey, boss. This is a box of the 09 SPX. About to open the buyback pack. Looks to be a redemption card in there, which could be one of the really nice cards. It looks like an auto instead. It's a dual auto, number 35 of Kevin Youkilis and Dallas McPherson. Hadn't seen any of those yet. It's a nice one with the Youkilis on it. I hadn't seen anything like that. They were all SPX. Or SP Authentic. Ooh, a Zambrano patch. First hit of the box. Nice little pack of Carlos Zambrano. Number 99, 3-color. Another hit. Dual jersey. Kurt Schilling. 2 colors on both pieces. It looks like it's from his Diamondback day. Another hit. Got a David Ortiz, Manny Ramirez, dual.
I like every pack out.
Yeah, they might have all the hits there in one row or something. Okay, first pack with no hit. Some of those 20th anniversaries are actually pretty good too. Tiger Woods is. And then you have some like that one with the gopher on it. Hopefully you get one of those rookie redemptions. I've seen a lot of those come out. Another jersey. Maglio Ordonez. Get the White Sox in Detroit. We got another card. Looks like a patch. Oh, that is sweet. Got a patch auto of Paul Konerko, numbered 17 of 23. It's 3 colors. It's got 5 breaks on it. It's 2 patch cards in one box. It's upper deck for you.
That's probably all the hits right there.
Technically it probably should be, yeah. But you still got a whole nother thing. Oh, there's another one. Tim Lynchcomb jersey. 1 color. I got a Tar Heel card. We'll be saving that one. Joe DiMaggio buyback. Get like 3 of those a box.
Jay.
Got a Jordan card. Hopefully you get another hit in there. I like the 2 game patches. Game patch autos, I think you get 3 of those per case. There's another dual. Vladimir Guerrero. More base. Got 2 packs left. Another DiMaggio. I think there's like 100 in that set or something like that. A lot. And that's it. Thanks for watching.